guys, welcome back to my channel, Criefarmywife TV. Welcome back guys, and thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm in my kitchen making peanut porridge. So this is my ingredients, and here I have a cup of peanut and a cup and a half of almond milk, and I have some cinnamon stick here. I have nutmeg, and I have a tin of condensed milk, and I have some vanilla and a bit of salt. And guys, I have honey here. If you don't want to use the tin milk, you can use the honey. And guys, trust me, it really works. It really tastes good same way. If you use the honey, it's just a healthier way instead of you use the tin milk. Okay guys, so I have my pot on the stove with a boiling water. Yes guys, here I have my peanut. I'm gonna pour my peanut in the blender. Yeah. Then I'm gonna put my almond milk in there. So what I'm gonna do now is just blend it up. You know, like I'm not gonna blend out it's all that smooth. I'm not gonna blend it out all the way, because I love when I'm drinking the porridge, I can taste a little green, feel a little green on my tongue when I'm drinking the porridge. So I'm not gonna blend it all the way. The color that it have, because I make the trash stay on the peanut, and the trash have a lot of benefit also. See, and I give it a nice color. Yes, so you don't have to take out when you I pick, because here's my peanut, right? And I shell my peanut, and I don't take off the trash. Yeah, I don't take off this thing right here. I don't take it off, yeah. But you can take it off if you want, but I don't take it off because a lot of benefit is in the trash. They call it trash. Yeah, so a lot of benefit in there also. So I don't take it off, and I give the porridge a good color. Okay guys. Here I have my water on the stove. This is about 2 cups of water, and I put my 1 cinnamon stick in there. So I'm gonna wait until it starts to boil, then I'm gonna put in my peanuts. Okay guys, here I have my boiling water. Yes, so what I'm gonna do now is put the peanut in there with the milk. Yeah, I want to turn on the vent, but if I turn on the vent, it's not gonna hear me clearly. So you have to stir it and just continue to stir it, because you don't want it to get lumpy. And I'm gonna turn on the stove. Yeah, just stir it until you know, yeah, it gets a little bit thick. You can leave it. So yeah. Guys, you know what happened? I put on the porridge, trying to get the body of the porridge, but it couldn't. I don't ever put too much water in there, but I couldn't see the body. I couldn't, and I wasn't getting any body from the porridge. So what I have to do is make some oats, blend some oats, and I put some milk in there, and I just blend a little. and I just throw in there forget somebody. So this is what it look like, yeah, when I put it in there. And I put the oats in there, yeah, so it's just peanut porridge with oats. Yeah, so I have to put the oats in there, forget the body. So this is how it looks so far, yeah. And this is how it looks so far, yeah. After 10 minutes, yeah, smell really nice. Yeah, this is my peanut porridge with oats, yeah. So we're gonna put my vanilla in there now. Just turn on the stove. I'm gonna sweeten it now. I don't want it thicker than this. This is really thick. Yeah. I put my vanilla, my nutmeg in there.
God is going to make a deposit and raise you up like you raised up Gideon from the threshing floor of the Midianites. The Holy Spirit is going to declare upon you today into the stresses of your life. Oh, mighty man of God. Oh, mighty woman of God. And you look around to see who the Holy Ghost is talking. And they say it is you. For within you lies the power of God. Within you, the government of God is
Holy Ghost power moving just